Hello, this is Shukra Gupta, and we are here with our PV Milestone 4. Our group name is E4 Entrepreneur, and the members are Shukra Gupta, Nishant Vedwal, Ujjwal, and Vivek. So, the problem statement for our startup is while searching possible itineraries for a place for traveling, the tourists who are planning to travel those possible places, they don't have the knowledge of what are the places they can visit or what are the things they can do while traveling. They also face problems while planning the journey. Also, the route and the places to visit are a major problems. And as a result, they miss out on different possible places to go or the good things to do while traveling. And this often leads to wastage of money and time. The alternatives for this is they can ask people on suggestions on what to do, or they can hire a local guide. But this is time consuming and it is often expensive to hire a guide. So the solution we provide is that for the people who are planning to travel, uh, we have a Go Travel website. It is our product that suggests itineraries for a place with an estimate of time and helps the tourists in planning the journey, including the route and the places to visit. This is our lead canvas. So around 2 to 3 sections have been already covered. The unfair advantage for our startup is that we are located in Himachal-based place, so the tourist attractions are often closer to us. The customer segments are the tourists that are traveling to travel places. We aim to target them. The channels we aim to advertise in social media. We aim to provide user references. This is how we will become visible to our customers. And the key metrics is how much users sign up on our website and the count. We take the count of the number of bloggers or itinerary creators. The cost structure is that we would have to pay for the advertisements. We would also have to pay for the fixed costs such as one-time purchases of equipments. Variable cost includes the office rent, internet, and the Wi-Fi expenses. Also, the salaries and itinerary creators expense should be covered in variable costs. And now the unique value proposition. Our websites allow us to create and share itineraries. It includes the total cost and the amount of time for that particular itinerary. They're planned in such a way that best time is allocated to visit that location. Okay. And our website will also feature some blogs as well as ratings from the people who have already used that itinerary. And user can also provide some feedback. Our business model is that we charge the hotels, cabs, and restaurant for showing their ads in our itinerary. And for that, we charge per week for showing those ads. On once a customer clicks on that ad, he will be shown the contact details for that particular service. For example, a cab or a restaurant. And if suppose some service is not reachable, then we can provide multiple contact details. So here is our competition analysis. As I already stated, there are two: the local guides and the Google Trips. They all have their benefits, but the local guides they are expensive, and Google Trips, though it is free, but it does not provide us with a possible itinerary. Our main point is that we suggest best possible itineraries, like the top-notch itineraries for tourists they can follow, and we would give all kind of information sufficient for following that itinerary. And thus, the conclusion for the competition analysis is that after seeing the competition, we can say that the customer won't have to waste time inquiring about location, and they don't need to hire a guide for the journey. We would do all such things, and it will be sufficient for them.
Hello everyone, I am Vivek and I will be continuing with the product description. So first of all, let's answer who are our customers and what are their respective pricing. So we have two kind of customer. First is tourist who wants an itinerary. For them, the pricing is free. They can look into our website, can search for different itineraries and get the information for free. Another are individuals who want to be included in our itineraries. This can be like cab drivers, restaurants, and hotels, which are them some fee to be included in our itinerary. This is basically like showing their ads in our itinerary, and that's why we are charging them. So next is what is our product and what option it has. So we have a web platform where one can create and share their custom itineraries. That is that you can create your own itinerary as well by looking into different itineraries. And if you have traveled some place, you can also add your own itinerary. So it is kind of social media for itineraries. So then using this platform, different tourists can find itineraries to travel, save money while traveling, and save time while planning because you already have a list of itineraries that you can follow. Now, what are the characteristics and benefits? So tourists will be able to get free and detailed information of places to visit, along with the approximate budget, time, and nearby itinerary stops. So you will be able to see how much time it will take to cover this place, that 2 days, 3 days, or somehow some many like. And then you can also be able to see the budget it will require, like 2,000, 8,000, or how much. So budget and time are also constrained while planning a trip. And we are solving this with our app. Next is it will facilitate the booking of cabs, hotels as per the location. It is not like we are providing a platform to book these cabs and hotels. Rather, we are providing contact details of these cabs and hotel via our ad services. So it will help the tourist to book these kind of places. Next, let me tell you a brief description about how this product works. So the tourist will visit our website, enter the destination and the date of arrival and departure for the same. Then we will show a list of itineraries that are there, that are already there. Then on clicking on an itinerary, it will be able, he will or she will be able to see the possible activities, the places to visit, uh, and the expected time to cover these activities. Based on this, a person can decide whether to follow this itinerary or not. And then we have an option to book cab, hotels, etc. In the journey, so that it is easy for them to spend their time and book hotels and services, etc. Then we also have this helpline number and forms to answer any queries or any problem that they have. And next, we also have a section to write blog and all. Then any other information that we provide is like nearby restrooms, petrol pump, etc. are also provided, and there is a separate page for registration of these itinerary stops, which will be uh, like charged. Next, I will provide the product demo. So here you can see the product demo. So our website name is GoTravel, with which you can plan the best travel. So here you can click on this button to start planning your travel. After clicking this, as you can see, we see a nice page where you can choose the location. Let's say you want to travel to Dharamshala, then you can choose the date of arrival and departure. Let's say you arrive at 3 June and you want to depart on 5 June. That is a 3-day travel. So you can plan on this. So you can see here 3 days in Dharamshala and all the possible itinerary that we have listed here. So along with the pricing and the rating. You can see these itineraries and along with some photos that shows a quick sneak peek of what you'll be expecting in this itinerary. So let's say you want to explore this itinerary and unforgettable drive. You can click on the explore button. Then you will land to this page where you can see a quick uh, some words about how and what you will be having in this itinerary and some photos like this photo of these roads and the local market and the tea garden and this monastery and some nice village. So here you can see the complete plan for the days, like 3 days. For the day one, you can book your cab first of all to get you from your hotel or hostel to this nicely built food center, Namegal Cafe, which where you can have your breakfast. And this is an ad which will be showing for this cafe, and we will charge you for them. Now you can see like along with this cab, you can also go to this Dharamshala Stadium, which will take 15 minutes. And we have also provided a quick, short description what you can expect at this stadium. So following this, we have like the complete plan for the 3 days. So this is our app menu. Now let's coming back to the presentation. What is our go-to-market strategy? So which customer segment are you targeting first? So from our experience and from some market research, we have found that young travel enthusiasts from policy university near the Himachal Pradesh region would be the best uh, early adopters. So we are targeting these kind of students. Like they have time and friends to travel with. And in our experience, we have seen a lot of time these kind of people are there only. So as you're starting a business in Himachal, so it is wise that we should use this location like Punjab and Haryana only. And then what channels are you using? So we are using the channel of police like going to the police station, organizing a small stall there, and educating the people around about our website. So we can easily target like around 1,500 to 2,000 individuals there through this website at a very small cost. Like we also wanted to show some ads and all, but considering the fact that we will not be having too much money in our hands so to spend on these kind of things, we will be targeting these to the colleges. Along with this, we'll be uh, acknowledging them with the fact that we also have Instagram pages, like Facebook accounts and all, so which will be more advertising more of our service and providing a place so that they can become our customers. Next, we will see how we will achieve scale. So as you can see, this is a projected 2-year graph. So as you can see, the total revenue is increasing along with the expenses as well. But as you can see, we are breaking even in 4 months here. That's how we will be operating our business. You can see the complete spreadsheet of calculation here. So this is all from our side. Thank you for staying with us and have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.